Hello, welcome back to Farmer's Wife Homestead. I'm Stacey if this is the first time we're meeting, and welcome back to 12 days of Christmas that hasn't been. I managed to get 7 out so far. This is number 8. I am a little bit behind, but I will do what I can do and see how many more days I can get for you guys. But today I've decided that I'm going to put together the basket, or a basket, over the course of the 12 days of Christmas and some videos prior to the 12 days of Christmas. We've been making things, and as you know, I like to preserve, so we're just going to gather a few things together and put a basket together, and this is going to go to our neighbours. Yeah, I also wanted to do slices and things, but we'll talk a little bit about that a little bit later. So let's start assembling this basket. Of course, you'll make your baskets how you want to make them with the stuff that you've already thought of, but I'm trying to go with homemade, as little as money as possible. So I'm going to bring you down and we're going to start throwing a few things into this basket. I picked up the wood shavings from one of the kits that I brought. Apologies for the blowflies that you will hear. I can't do anything about it. So I've got one of the brownie mix, so I'm going to pop that in there. Oh, that looks rather nice. We've got one of the raspberry jam that we made together, and it's all sealed, but I will be sending it with a ring, just a light ring, and of course I'll let them know to store it without the ring on. So we're going to pop that in there, and I've decided to give some home bottled cherries. Tis the season. Some piccalilli, hot chocolate mix, one of the handmade soaps, a couple of the beeswax wraps, and I've got a little bit of paper, and we're just going to wrap that up, make that look pretty. Packet of the rumbles that are almost rum flats now, but they've been kept in the fridge. And I've got a bowl of plums here from my plum tree, and a couple of juicy strawberries that I'm going to have later on for afternoon tea. But my plum tree is laden, absolutely laden with plums, so I'm going to bag up some of these plums and give a bag of plums as well, because yeah, that's just part of, you know, the wanting to give. I don't have anything ready in the gardens, and I have been working on the gardens, just haven't done any videos about it, but we will have an update before the end of the year to see where I'm at. I've harvested all the garlic. It got rust, so I've harvested all that, so I could even put a couple of cloves of garlic in there if I wanted to. Trying to put them, and I will put the instructions on the top of this jar. Right, so I want cut that. Oh, that's not very straight. Try and make a little bit of a nicer job about it. And I'm going to put beeswax wraps, my little soap, put that there, And my candle. A lot of it's all about placement, isn't it? I might put the hot chocolate mix there. There, can you see that? A basket full of goodies, and then you can I'm not taking it today, so I will probably do the slices video tomorrow, slices and cookies, and I plan on giving one of the trays away as well. Bit of ribbon on the top. So yeah, I will the next video I do will be slices, and I just pick up these at op shops. You can pick them up for a couple of dollars. Oh, that's a bit wrecked. Pick them up for a couple of dollars. The handle gonna stay in, yeah. And then just save them through the year. So there we go. Just a little wee basket of goodies. I hope that they enjoy them. When we went op shopping, I found a whole heap of trays and things, and this platter here, which I love and I'm so tempted to keep. So I'm either going to give this away or keep this for myself. And I'm going to put some slices on it and some cookies, so the two will go together. And then I've got the other round trays as well, and we were going to do a cheese board or a charcuterie board, and I was going to show you how to put one together, because I've done a lot of catering in my days, and I've done grazing tables and lots of platters and stuff. Actually, I will pop some photos in here of just a couple of the grazing tables that I've done over the years. And yes, we were going to do that, but to be completely 100% open and honest, I'm kind of strapped for cash right now, and I had plans to do this, to do that, and put the charcuterie board together, but I would actually need to buy some stuff like cheeses, and I could make the crackers. I'm out of salami, so you know, you could make some homemade stuff, like we were going to make hummus and some dips and stuff like that. But yeah, just money's really super tight for me at the moment, and so I'm not going to be able to bring that to you at this point, but it's definitely something that we will do in a future video, because I absolutely love putting charcuterie boards together. I will definitely try and do the slices and cookies. I just didn't want to do that today because husband, he's also a horse farrier who shoes horses, and he gets loads of sweet gifts at this time of the year, so we're just inundated with sweets right now. So I'm reluctant to make any just in the next couple of days, but next week I definitely, early next week, I could make some. What else? Yeah, and I think I will still be able to make an appetizer video. It is what it is, right? You know, we're all doing it tough at the moment, and well, you know, I mean, not everybody, but times are really tough, and so many of you have messaged me and said you're not in the spirit this year, and it just feels like Christmas was 3 months ago, and all that, and there's just, the spark has gone. Like, I went to town a couple of days ago and it wasn't even busy, and that's just not normal. You know, people are just doing it really hard. So I hope a few of my videos have given you some ideas to show you that, you know, like, you can, if you want to gift, you can make things that you've got at home already, and it's just, yeah, people love to receive thoughtful homemade gifts, because it really comes from the heart. So yeah, that's about it in a nutshell, really. Just being completely honest, and you know, YouTube is my income, and when things are lean, then things are lean. This last quarter of the year has definitely been lean, and because I haven't been able to work as much as what I normally have as well, so it sort of goes hand in hand. If I can't work, then I don't earn any money. And I mean, yeah, sure, I could go out and try and look for a job, but then that means that I couldn't put out my videos. And to be honest, with my bone on bone knee pain, the surgeon not wanting to give me a full knee replacement just quite yet at 52, he wants me to try and hold off for as long as I can. I've lost over 20 kilos in trying to help myself. This is turning into a ramble video. And where was I at? I can't work full time because my knee, it's so bad. It locks at least 10 times a day, and it's really painful when it does it. So yeah, I'm kind of in a catch-22. I love what I do. I love getting these videos out. And sorry, I'm getting emotional because I do enjoy it. But yeah, thank you for all your support. I really, truly enjoy reading through the comments, and I certainly can't answer all of them, and all the emails as well, and the messages. And I just can't answer them all. But I thank you all very much. And yeah, we'll see what the next few days of 12 days of Christmas pops up. And I hope to see you on the next one. I'm really sorry to get emotional at the end of this. Yeah, I hope you're all doing well. And please let me know in the comments how you're feeling at the moment, and what your plans are for the Christmas season. All right, take care, and I hope to see you on the next one. All right, bye for now.